We are celebrating Spring into STEAM, which is our annual community-based STEAM Day. Some of our presenters include virtual reality from the 733rd. We have tinkering tubs, where students are able to take apart electronics and try to put them back together. We also have the Kadena Innovation Lab here today, and they are doing STEAM challenges with the students. We have a static vehicle display of a forklift put on by the 733rd. We have students learning about communication through satellites and radios.
Virtual reality is going to become more prominent in the world when it comes to classroom sessions.
They showed us the walkthrough of planes in virtual reality and how they can teach people.
And they are building rocket ships, and we gave them very little rules to do it, and it's astounding to see how many different concepts they're able to come up with.
Thank you so much for being here. Have a good day.